Hey Brian, today we've got the 2025 TE300 Heritage. Very similar to what we just went through on the TX bike, but obviously in the TE. Now, a few things on here. The best part about this bike is what an incredible canvas this is. As you know, I just can't leave well enough alone. And what's interesting is we're smack dab in the middle of 300 country up here. So everybody's on 300. People come in apologetic if they're not buying a 300 now. And so the beautiful thing is there's a lot of different 300s versus everybody being on the same bike. If you're just into a TE, or let's just say that you're into the enduro platform for any of these bikes, gosh, you can walk out of here with an EC. You can walk out of here right now with 3 different TEs, a base model, the Heritage, or of course the TE Pro. So what this is going to offer is just essentially different plastics, different seat, different pro taper bar crash pad here. Otherwise, it is similar to a TE. Now, don't forget the TE, the nice couple things that come with it. TEs this year, for anyone who knows, that's moved up from 24 to 25, we are on Brembo bikes right now. So big difference. Every TE coming in for 2025 is going to be a Brembo bike. That means the standard model, the Heritage, and the Pro are all going to be Brembo bikes. This bike also, the nice thing about the TEs is they do come standard with the mapping switch on them as well. So again, standard, Heritage, or Pro, you're going to get that mapping switch up here on the left bar. So other than that, beautiful bike, still a linkage bike compared to the XCWs, obviously. So we find for a lot of our customers that aren't that tall, like me, a TE will actually fit them better. They don't sit quite as tall as the XCWs do with the PDS. You get the DID Dirt Star wheels. We're still running AT81s on the back, MX33s on the front, but really, really terrific looking bike. The other thing that's interesting about the Heritage, and you know what, I don't think we pointed this out in the video with the TX, we are running a white frame on here. So in addition to the different graphics, our standard TE is going to be a black frame bike. This is a white frame bike. So you're going to get the white frame protectors right here as well, along with that white frame. So an OCD guy's nightmare, but very good looking. And obviously still an oil injected bike. So yeah, nice offering from Husky here. They've really adopted also this for pioneers namesake here. I've seen it now on a number of different bikes, but that's now showing up on the Heritage plastics as well. So really pretty. I'll tell you one thing that's interesting is you're either a fan of one or the other. As you've got the headlight on here versus you see that TX just kind of sitting behind us here, either just that mustard colored number plate there, flat number plate, or those headlight. Both are just fantastic looking bikes. So,
very, very good looking bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a 23 Heritage. This bike's really, really good looking. Those blue shrouds are good looking. And I like that they've actually embedded this. That's something that I've seen them kind of shy away from.
Yeah,
that looks nice.
These days, as Husky GASGAS, KTM really have gotten away from stick-on stickers, if you will, in a dry environment like Colorado. Every day I seem to be walking around our showroom with a heat gun and trying to push down flagging graphics. So I love the fact that these sit down permanently. So
yeah. All right.
For those out there, we got a bunch of these. I'll tell you, TEs and XCWs are our bread and butter, obviously, along with the TXs and XCs. I've got a lot of these in the TE300 Heritage. So if this is a bike you like, please give me a call. We're going to give you a great price on it. But you will definitely stand out the trailhead. This is not your standard Husky that we've seen for a lot of years, or the standard base model. So yeah, I think people are going to like them.
Absolutely. Guys, thanks for watching. Loving this bike. You know me, I'm a Husky guy. I love the TEs. I love just the little bit lower ride height, but this thing is a really cool looking bike. I think it's awesome. Like Lee said, we're doing some different things. KTM and Husky are really giving people options. You got the Pro here, and then you got the standard edition over there. So 3 different TE options this year. Pretty awesome to see that in the lineup. If you haven't, check out Mountain Dirty Motorsports and give Lee a call if you're interested in the bike. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.
Thanks, Brian. Appreciate it.
The cool thing is right now we've got the TE Heritage next to the Pro, next to the standard 25 TE300. So you get to kind of see a little bit of the difference here between them. Love to know in the comments What's your favorite? What do you like? Which bike do you prefer? A little bit of something for everything. I love how Husky is doing that now.
Brian, come up around front here. Don't get mad at me if you break your front fender and I don't have your exact fender. We got 3 different front fenders on these 3 different TVs.
Yeah.
Here, different color H's on the tube. So yeah, there's definitely differences. all
Oh,
over these
buddy.
things.
Heck yeah.